Hey guys, John Grogan with Virtuous Roofing and Restoration here. Today I wanted to go over a little bit of the claims processes. A lot of people have a lot of misconceptions when it comes to filing a claim, working, and dealing with your insurance company. And so today I wanted to put a few of those things to rest. First of all, when a hailstorm hits your guys' area, a lot of people, they neglect, or at least people I've dealt with, they don't want to file the claim because they think it's going to affect your premiums, the insurance company is going to drop you, so on and so forth. What a lot of people don't know is that when a storm hits your area, that entire zip code now is classified as a catastrophic zip code to the insurance company, meaning it is harder to insure. And so they, without even filing the claim, raise the rates for that entire area. So a lot of people think they're saving themselves by not filing the claim. That's just not true. You'll see your rates go up anyways by the end of that year regardless. So go ahead, get in touch with a contractor, myself, or somebody that you trust to walk you through the process. The next step after that, a lot of people just want to get the insurance company out there to take a look at the roof, to try and see to let them be the ones to identify whether you have damage or not. That is an area where I would say do not contact the insurance company yet. Because a lot of times, insurance companies, we like to think that they have our best interest in mind, but at the end of the day, they are a business. And so you want somebody there to represent you. And that's where I say, reach out to your contractor, somebody that you trust that is going to have your best interest in mind when it comes to dealing with the insurance company. Have them hop up there, look at the roof first, take a look at the rest of the exterior of the house, identify the hail damage where you do and do not have it, and let them be the ones to tell you and to lead you in the direction of whether to or to not file the claim based off of the hail damage. So after you have your contractor take a look at your roof and your property, and they've identified the hail damage, and they do agree that it is time for you to file a claim, that would be then when you can sit down, have a quick phone call with your insurance company. Most of them, they have a direct line to contact with. You can either do that, or you can go online and file the claim online, whichever is your preference. And then after that, they're gonna assign you an adjuster to come out and basically do everything that your contractor did, but now they're representing the insurance company where your contractor was representing you. I always recommend to have your contractor be there with the insurance company at the time of the adjustment, not to fight, not to debate or anything like that, but two sets of eyes is always better than one when it comes to identifying hail damage and what that sort of thing looks like. In the next video, we're gonna do a series on these. We'll go over what happens next after the insurance company has evaluated your property, when they send you the estimate, what that estimate looks like, and really how to dissect it and figure out what's going on. But with that, I will see you guys on the next one.